Dumpster rental service in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. When working on a big project in Greensburg, one of the first things you'll need is a dumpster you can depend on. At All-Green Services LLC, we provide professional dumpster rental service in Greensburg, Pennsylvania for all jobs. We work with both residential and commercial customers every day. Whether you're cleaning out a house, replacing a roof, or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for the job. Our inventory includes a wide range of sizes to match your workload. We handle delivery and pickup so you can focus on getting the job done. Our drivers are experienced and courteous and know how to place dumpsters carefully. We proudly serve Greensburg with prompt, friendly service and no hidden costs. The rental process is simple, and our team is always ready to assist with questions. You can keep your dumpster for as long as you need, we're flexible. Our pricing is competitive, and we never hit you with unexpected fees. We also emphasize sustainable waste disposal methods whenever possible. Keeping your property clean during a project doesn't have to be a headache. We're here to help make things easier, safer, and more efficient. If you need a trusted dumpster rental service in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, look no further. Call All-Green Services LLC today at 724-550-6222. Let's keep your project moving smoothly.